Hello, my name is Frank. I'm the creator of ELMixMasterPro, and this is part 5 of a series covering the features of ELMixMasterPro. Let's jump right into it. This video is about the flavor page. Top left hand corner, you can filter and search just for specific flavors by brand, or if you want to search by name, just come over here and type it. Give it a second and it'll update. I'm going to skim through this pretty quick. The sync button is a new feature which has not been released yet, but it will keep the flavors synced with the server. Currently this is only enabled on my account, but like I was out the other day and I found a recipe with mango and they were talking about various mangoes, so I wanted to know what flavors I had that were mango. So I did a quick search, told me I had the sweet mango they were talking about. The alternative was the flavor mango. But anyway, that feature will be enabled at some point, not sure when. The next part of the flavor is adding, editing, deleting, create a label, add it to your shopping list. To edit a flavor, you have to click edit, and then these will be editable. After you're finished editing, you can click save or you can click cancel. You can add a flavor note. If you've mixed with the flavor drop weight will be shown right here if you've recorded the drops and the grams. I have one recording of this flavor. There's others that have a lot more, I'm sure. There we go. Also at the bottom of it, it shows you the last time you used a particular flavor and the date, as well as how much you've used total and the total times that you've used this flavor. Next part of the flavor page is the capitalize. It will go through and it'll capitalize all the brand and the first letter of each name. Most people won't need it. I liked it. You can import your confirmation email from Bull City Vapor flavor orders. Whenever they send you an email and it's your confirmation, you can import that directly into ELMixMasterPro. You'll have to copy the email starting with the first flavor name down to the last price of the confirmation email. You'll put it in a file and then cycle through these dialogues. I cover it in more detail on the website, and there is a few more other details. So if you want to import your Bull City flavor, they changed it from vapor to flavor, into ELMixMasterPro, check out the website for a few more details. But really, you just have to copy the first name down to the last price. After ELMixMasterPro goes through and processes the data, it will display a dialog box with all the flavors, and the thing that you have to watch for are new flavors. For example, if you have Cap Vanilla Custard V1, Bull City Flavor just calls it Cap Vanilla Custard, so it will show up as a new flavor if you don't catch that. You'll have to go back into your file, and if this serial 27 was Cap Vanilla Custard, you would have to change that to Cap Vanilla Custard V1, however you have it spelt in your file. But as it's showing you those dialogues, if you catch any errors, you can click cancel, and you'll be able to edit your file and correct any misspellings or any other issues that you find. You can import your flavors from a comma delimited file. That is covered in detail on the website. You have to follow a specific format for the comma delimited file to import your flavors. Exporting flavors is the same way. It'll export it, but you don't have to worry about the format. It will show you the format and spit out the file. The next part is the flavors inventory. Let me find something I have an inventory of. Okay. Well, I already lost it. I have an extra inventory bottle of this test flavor. I use this just for testing. But you can add, edit, and delete from this area. You can also activate a flavor. If your primary bottle is empty and you simply throw that bottle away, you can come over to your inventory bottle and activate it. It will transfer this information, including the purchase date and the cost, over to your main bottle that you keep on your shelf. If you have a big bottle, of flavoring, you can transfer. Make a lot of peachy melon, so I buy that in 4-ounce bottles. When my bottle runs low, I just come over here and I transfer 30 ml from my inventory over to my bottle that I have on the shelf. Next up is the recipes used by flavors. You can double click a recipe in the flavor dialog, and what it is these recipes contain this flavor, watermelon candy. So we'll click on my peachy melon. And it'll pull it up in the design page. The next step is flavor statistics. It's parsing my mix log right now to see what I've mixed. So currently I'm viewing my flavors that I've mixed by how much I've used. Juicy peach, I've used 355 milliliters of this flavor. Watermelon candy, 322. I can also view it by times used. I've used super sweet the most of anything. And I can also go back to a certain date or the last 6 months, 7 months, whatever I want to do. Of course, I've done a lot of testing, so this flavor happens to pop up on the top of the list. Also, if you're interested in the age of your flavors, there's a couple of different options down here, and this goes all the way to 24 months. So if you have any flavors older than 18 months is what I've selected here. I've used this 2 times in the last 18 months. So this is a way that I keep track of which flavors I have that are just really getting old and I need to replace. That pretty much covers the flavor page of ELMixMasterPro. Stay tuned to part 6, I believe it is. Thanks.